In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Audi S4. This is going to be located underneath the cowl. Let's get into it. If your vehicle has a cover right here, you want to take that cover off. This vehicle does not. There's a weather strip right here. I'm just going to pull that back, peel that off. This cover, just grab the cover, pick it up, slide it out. Now disconnect the negative terminal, use a 10mm wrench, loosen up the nut, pull that off, set that aside. On the positive side, 10mm wrench, loosen this nut up. And set that aside. There's a breather tube right here. You want to take that off, just pull that out of the battery. Now I'm going to remove the hold down, use a Hex socket. This is a 6mm. And right down there, there's a little spot where you can access the bolt. Loosen that up. And grab the bracket, you can just move that to the side. And grab the battery. This battery has handles, makes it a little easier. And just pull it out. Now take the battery, slip it in place. And you just want to push it down and slide it back. And take the hold down, slide that in position. And you want to tighten the bolt down for the hold down. Get that lined up. Snug that down. Take the breather tube, line that up with the hole, secure that down. Positive terminal, line that up, push that in place, tighten down the nut. Snug that down. Now the negative terminal, line that up. And we'll tighten this down. Snug that down. Put the cover on. Push that down in place. Weather stripping. Get this lined up. Secure that down, and if your vehicle had the cover there, you want to put the cover back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.